Significant that as we celebrate the CBCT Year of the Youth, nataon din that we are to celebrate August 2011 as World Youth Day. This will be a big gathering of young people from different parts of the world to celebrate around the Vicar of Christ, Pope Benedict XVI, to celebrate faith. While in Madrid, in Spain, maraming nagtanong nito. Nangyari na minsan, nangyari ang pinanap ang pagdiriwang ng ika-4 na World Youth Day sa Santiago de Compostela, sa Madrid din ito, sa Espanya rin ito. At bakit ginawa na ito uli ipagdiwang sa Espanya, ngayon ay sa Madrid? Noong 1989, ang naging paksa, ang tema ng pagdiriwang, si Jesus ang daan, si Jesus ang katotohanan, si Jesus ang buhay. Panahon yon ni John Paul II bilang ang kinatawan ng simbahan ng Santo Papa, at ngayon kinilala natin siya bilang isang blessed. No? Sa lipas na taon ay binigyan siya ng pagkilala bilang napahanay sa mga banal itong taong kasalukuyan, itong nakalipas na buwan ng Mayo. Sabi ng ating pinangalang Blessed John Paul II, para sa kanyang mensahe noon sa Santiago de Compostela, ang pinakamagandang paglalakbay na pwedeng gawin ng isang tao at ng kabataan ay ang matagpuan at makilala si Kristo. At marahil, napaka-angkop na sa pagdiriwang ngayon ng World Youth Day 2011 sa Madrid, Espanya, bigyang diin palalo ito na ang pagkasumpong o pagkatuklas kay Kristo ay mapag-ugat o mapalalim pa kay Kristo. At sa pagpapalalim ng karanasan ito kay Kristo, makita na ang mga kabataan ay magkaroon ng desisyon at personal na pag-ibig o mga pangunahing pasya sa kanilang buhay. Batid ng simbahan, batid ng kasalukuyang Santo Papa, ang palalim ng hangarin at paghahanap ng mga kabataan. Kaya ang simbahan ay tumatayo at naninindigan sa mga paraang katulad ng pagdiriwang na ito ng World Youth Day na itaas ang malay at ang paniniwala ng ating mga kabataan para sa kanilang buhay kay Kristo, para sa buhay sa pananampalataya.
And as a Philippine delegation to the World Youth Day, we will be participating in a special way to testify to that faith that we have, the Catholic faith that is still very much alive here in our country. And through, we will be participating in a World Youth Day in a special way through the animation of the catechetical side. So we will be leading the catechesis in one of the catechetical sides during the World Youth Day, and we are also given opportunity to lead or animate also the Eucharistic adoration during the overnight vigil. So this overnight vigil happens on the last day of the World Youth Day. And also there are selected delegates from the delegation of the ECY Philippines who were given a special chance to be seated together with other young people from all over the world near the Pope that will also take place during the vigil. And along those events, well, the World Youth Day is not only an event or that is exclusive to Catholics. It is also welcome to young people of other faith traditions. In fact, in our delegation this year, we have one delegate who is a Muslim, but he will be joining the ECY delegation for the World Youth Day. So, ito ay hindi lamang para sa mga Katoliko lamang, kundi para sa lahat ng mga nagnanais ng pagkipagkaisa, to share also in the joy and celebration of being youth. Yeah.
I'm Sky. I'm a web administrator of YouthPinoy.com. YouthPinoy.com is once again a partnership, a project of the CBCT Media and the CBCT Episcopal Commission on Youth na wherein would like to answer the call of the Pope Benedict to be really present in the digital world. And because of this World Youth Day, still we are here to answer that call to be present in the social communications, to be present in the digital media. So here, as the different organizations of the different that is under the ECY and the FNYO, we are here to really proclaim to the world that God is here, that God is present in also in the world of the cyberspace. So, and as well as the Pope Benedict, the 16 calls us to be present, to be really also present in evangelizing the youth, the unchurched. So that is why YouthPinoy.com has been created. And for this World Youth Day, the CBCP Media and again the CBCP and the ECY has formed a media team. For the first time, 6 Youth Pinoy members will be sent to Spain to just document what is happening with the ECY delegation, with the Philippine delegation. For the first time po mangyayari. Kasi for the past World Youth Days, picture-picture lang, personal sharings lang. Pero ngayon po, first time na mag-transmit sa buong mundo, anong nangyayari sa Philippine delegation. Anong mangyayari yung mga personal sharings nila, ano yung mga personal reflections nila sa World Youth Day, ano yung mga ginagawa na nila, ano yung kinakain nila. So lahat malalaman natin yan through the use of our website, our new website, which is wydpinoy.com. So it's wydpinoy.com. And sa website na po ito, lahat po ng mangyayari sa Philippine delegation, MIT na dito. And present din po kami sa lahat ng social networks, sa Facebook, sa Twitter, sa Google+. Lahat po, isi-share namin kung ano nangyayari sa Philippine delegation. So, exciting po siya kasi real time pong masi-share ng mga kabataan kung anong nangyayari sa kanila doon. So, pag yung mga kapamilya nila dito, yung mga families, mga friends nila dito na naiiwan sa Pilipinas, alam nila kung anong nangyayari sa kanila doon. At the same time, pati din yung mga friends nila or their families here in the Philippines will be also inspired of what they've been doing, will be also inspired of the messages of the World Youth Day. So, kahit wala kayo sa Spain, kahit wala sila sa Spain, mararamdaman nila yung presensya, yung Espanya sa Pilipinas. So, yun po. Kaya po tayo may website, kaya po tayo present talaga sa digital world. Kasi nandun na po lahat. Doon yung malalaman kung ano yung nangyayari.
Good morning again. Greetings of peace to the youth of the Philippines. I'm Jan from the Salt and Light of Edge Shrine. Isa ako sa mga pilgrims since 1995 World Youth Day. Natutuwa ako kasi nagkaroon ng finally ng isang place para i-document lahat ng mga activities during the World Youth Days. Ako, isa din ako sa mga sinabi ni Father Cune kanina na kami na yung mga bunga ng World Youth Day 1995. Bata pa kami noon pero medyo nag-age na ng konti. So, pero ma-attend pa rin kami ng World Youth Day. Bakit? Because during my time, I experienced really the forgiveness of God. During the World Youth Day, we have this World Youth Day cross event, wherein the World Youth Day cross is being sent to different parts of the school or parishes. During my time, nung humarap ako dun sa cross, I really felt God spoke to my heart at sinabi niya sa akin na anak, tama na ang pagiging rebelde, teenager, it is enough. So, I really felt the forgiveness of God, and it is really amazing. God delivered me from many, many things. So, that is one of the miracles of the World Youth Day. Kaya lagi pa rin kami umaattend. So, also, bilang youth, marami sa atin busy, wala tayong time to stop and listen. And I'm happy because of the website, dahil mahilig ngayon mag-social network ang mga kabataan, we have time to stop and listen. Dun sa website, marami siyang inspirational words of God and texts from the Bible. I'm very happy also because we have this website, the World Youth Day, wydpinoy.com. finally, we will be able to celebrate all the events na makikita siya in one page or in one site. Also, it is a way for us to shout to the world, to shout to the ends of the earth our faith. And then this website is also a testimony, a living testimony to really stand and firm in our faith. Like the theme of the worship day this coming August, we have to stand in our faith. So also I would like to thank the ECY and all the organizers of the World Youth Day for making this possible for all the pilgrims to really celebrate this wonderful journey with us. And to end my speech, I would like to say that the website is an avenue of the past, present, and future World Youth Days. Finally, we have a centralized meeting place. Thank you so much.
So now, para sa patikim, hindi muna ng lunch, no? Alam ko naaamoy na natin yung ating lunch. Pero bago po yun, patikim po ng site. Itutour po tayo ng web admin ng Youth Pinoy na si Sky.
Activities dito ng lahat na nangyayari sa ECY as lahat ng Katolikong Pilipino. By the way, youthpinoy.com is the official website of the Filipino Catholic Youth. So, present po kami sa lahat ng social media, lahat po ng news, on all, lahat na nangyayari. Nandito po yun. Aside from that, of course, we are now launching worldyouthpinoy.com. So, wydpinoy.com, dyan po lahat ng stories ng World Youth Day sa lahat ng World Youth Day. Lahat ng stories ng mga Pinoy sa World Youth Day. Also, as well as yung mga preparation na nangyayari, what to do, what to bring, especially for the youth, alam mga kailangan ng mga Pilipino doon sa Spain. And of course, this website is focused on the Filipinos, on the Pinoys there sa Spain or sa World Youth Day. So as well as, aside from that, the different stories also of the past World Youth Days are present. So we're also calling all youth na naka-attend the mga past World Youth Day to also share your experiences,